Supratec is your competent partner when it comes to grid construction. These are indispensable when system operations must not be interrupted or when the basin cannot be emptied for maintenance work. The animation allows us to demonstrate the straightforward, cost-effective, and above all, safe construction of a removable grid. The bolts on the swivel-mounted extraction bar are first loosened and then removed from the bracket. The extraction bar is now hooked into the traverse and swiveled to a vertical position. The fall pipe is also hooked into the traverse by means of a shackle and is ready for removal after the shut-off damper has been closed and the flanged connection loosened. The traverse is now in position for raising the grid. Extraction takes place smoothly and safely, being optimally guided at the respective ends by means of guide rails that prevent it from being tilted. The grid can now be lifted out of the basin so that cleaning and maintenance work can be performed from the outside. The frame can now be swung back into the basin and brought into position. The cones at the upper end of the guide rails ensure the problem-free maneuvering of the grid. The animation now depicts positioning of the grid on the basin floor. The grid glides easily into the end position, even when the grid maneuvering onto the Y-stands bolted to the floor is slightly misaligned. The Y-stands center the grid while absorbing potential lateral forces imposed due to the possible use of agitation devices. This, in turn, ensures that the grid will remain secure under all operating conditions. The fall pipe and the swivel-mounted extraction bar can now be unhooked from the traverse and re-secured in their home positions. Supratec guarantees the highest levels of operating safety and flexibility with the removable grid system, just as you are already used to with our diffusers and comprehensive degree of service.